hi, cutie pie. Abby Jean. Hi. How are you? Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody. Say, I'm a whole 7 months old today. Happy birthday to me. Huh? Happy birthday, my darling. Huh? Is that rattle good? Huh? Is it? Yeah? Yeah. Are you looking at your doggy? She's not very interested in seeing you though, huh, Bug? Yeah, not so much with the interest, huh? Just want a nap, don't you? That's alright, kid. We all do. Huh? Because you just woke up from a nap. Really? There you go. There you go. Doesn't faze you a bit, does it, kid? Huh? Hi. Really? Really? You gonna say hi to Gammy and Papa? Got Mommy Michelle? Grandpa Monroe? Grandma and Grandpa Gardner? All your aunties and uncles? Say hi. Say hi. I'm just going to lay here and chew my rattle. Look around. Huh. Yeah. Abby Jean. Abby Jean. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.